let's get started on the script. Sony XAV-AX6000 Review 2026. Watch before you buy. Are you tired of mediocre car audio systems that can't quite deliver? Do you want to elevate your in-car entertainment experience and make your daily commute a breeze? But here's what surprised me. I recently got my hands on the Sony XAV-AX6000, and it's been a game changer. This car stereo system is more than just a pretty face. It packs some serious tech punch. So if you're as frustrated as I was with subpar sound quality and outdated features, stick around. We'll dive into the details of this impressive device, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not it's right for you. But before we get started, let me give you a quick heads up. If you're in the market for a new car stereo system, make sure to check out our link in the description below. We've got an exclusive deal that'll save you some serious cash. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Now, back to the Sony XAV-AX6000. This 6.95-inch touchscreen display is a real showstopper. With its sleek design and crisp graphics, it's clear Sony spared no expense in creating an immersive experience for drivers. But here's what sets this system apart from the competition: its impressive array of features. You've got wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so you can stream your favorite tunes without worrying about cables. Therefore, with all these bells and whistles, it's no wonder this car stereo is a top pick among audiophiles. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive deeper into the features that make it stand out from the crowd. So, what makes the Sony XAV-AX6000 tick? For starters, it's got an impressive 10-band equalizer, so you can fine-tune your sound to perfection. It also supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making it a breeze to navigate through your music library or take calls hands-free. But that's not all. This system also comes with built-in voice recognition, allowing you to control the system using simple voice commands. Whether you're on the road or stuck in traffic, you'll be able to stay connected without lifting a finger. Rehook. By the end of this video, I promise you'll know exactly what to expect from this impressive car stereo system. But don't worry, it's not all about tech specs and features. We'll also explore some real-world applications and scenarios that showcase its true potential. Now, let's get down to business. What are the must-haves for a top-notch car audio system? For me, it comes down to three key factors: sound quality, convenience, and value for money. Therefore, with these criteria in mind, I put the Sony XAV-AX6000 through its paces. And what did I find out? It turns out this system delivers on all fronts, whether you're a music aficionado or just looking for a reliable way to take hands-free calls. Let's break down the pros and cons of this impressive device. Pros: 6.95-inch touchscreen display, wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, impressive array of features, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support, built-in voice recognition for seamless control. Cons: some users have reported issues with sound quality when using certain types of music files. Now that we've got a good idea of what this system has to offer, it's time to talk turkey. So, is the Sony XAV-AX6000 worth the investment? Let's weigh the pros and cons in the context of real-world applications. Imagine you're on a road trip with friends or family. You want to make sure everyone stays entertained without breaking the bank. That's where this system comes in. Its impressive array of features makes it perfect for long drives or daily commutes. But here's what I learned. Despite its advanced tech specs, the Sony XAV-AX6000 is actually relatively affordable compared to similar systems on the market. So, if you're looking to upgrade your car's audio system without breaking the bank, this might be just the ticket. Therefore, with all that said and done, it's time for a final verdict. Is the Sony XAV-AX6000 worth your hard-earned cash? For me, the answer is an emphatic yes, but don't just take my word for it. By now, I hope you've got a solid understanding of what this system has to offer and whether or not it's right for you. But before we wrap things up, let me leave you with one last thought. If you do decide to invest in the Sony XAV-AX6000, make sure to check out our link in the description below for an exclusive deal that'll save you some serious cash. That's a wrap. If you're still on the fence about this system, I encourage you to leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Best price on Amazon. Link in description.